In April, the U.S. Army unveiled the latest upgrade to its mainstay armored vehicle, the M2 Bradley Fighting Vehicle. This new model, the M2A4E1, is equipped with the Israeli-designed Iron Fist active protection system. This advanced system uses radar and infrared sensors to detect and neutralize incoming anti-tank projectiles, such as missiles and rockets, before they can impact the vehicle. The Bradley Fighting Vehicle is a versatile and essential asset on the battlefield, capable of transporting infantry and providing robust fire support with its Bushmaster 25mm autocannon and long-range TOW-2 anti-tank missiles. Despite its significant armor, the Bradley's protection has always been weaker than that of a main battle tank, making it vulnerable to high-end anti-tank weapons. The Iron Fist system significantly enhances the Bradley's survivability. It features 4 grenade-like counter-munitions, preloaded in 2 small turrets, which intercept and destroy incoming threats in milliseconds. This system provides a critical layer of defense against powerful anti-tank guided missiles like Russia's Kornet, as well as lighter unguided rockets such as the RPG-7 and other threats like recoilless rifles and kamikaze drones. In addition to the Iron Fist, the M2A4E1 model includes several other upgrades. It features a new cooling system to keep passengers comfortable and a high-definition forward-looking infrared HDFLIR gunner's sight. This improved sight enhances the vehicle's ability to detect and engage targets, especially in low-light conditions, further expanding the Bradley's effectiveness on the modern battlefield. The development of the M2A4E1 was part of a broader effort to modernize the Bradley fleet, requiring enhancements to engine power and electrical capacity to support the new systems. The Army's goal is to equip 1,242 Bradleys with the Iron Fist system, prioritizing units in Europe to bolster defenses against potential Russian threats. The Iron Fist's advanced technology also shows promise in countering modern threats, such as kamikaze drones. Its ability to detect and neutralize these slower yet deadly threats adds a new dimension to the Bradley's defensive capabilities. This system exemplifies the ongoing evolution of armored warfare, where protection against a wide array of threats is paramount. The introduction of the M2A4E1 with the Iron Fist system represents a significant leap forward in ensuring the survivability and effectiveness of the U.S. Army's armored forces. This upgrade not only protects the vehicle and its crew, but also enhances the overall combat capability of the units equipped with these advanced vehicles.